So yan guys, scanning fault codes error check engine. So in-scan na ni master. So nakita dito yung code niya ay fuel sensor. So palitan natin ng fuel sensors. Fault code engine. So this one is the fault code. Damage fuel sensor.